Today I've got my 2008 Yukon XL in the shop here, and I've already replaced the rear shocks, but I need to do the fronts. And the previous owner has put these a little bit bigger Venom tires on there, and so they rub a little bit when you're turned all the way and you're going in reverse. So I just want to give it a 2-inch lift with these rough country 2-inch lift shocks. So we're going to attempt to do this project and we'll see how it goes. So in the instructions they'll tell you you got to remove all of this plastic piece here, and they want you to just remove the whole entire hub and rotor and caliper and all that. So really all you gotta do is loosen the 2 bolts on the bottom of your shock right there, and that's underneath is where you'll get to that, and then there's 3 on top. You loosen this ball joint, and then you loosen this and pull out this little bar here, and then you should have enough room. You'll see later that you can drop this lower arm down to where you can get the extra 2 inches of space to get your longer shock there, or if you've got that little spacer piece that goes between the shock. No trick is going to be getting this down. Alright, so the only thing we had to remove was this top upper ball joint and this connection here. We're able to get the arm down low enough to get this connected. Next we got to tighten these bolts up here and stick these bolts on there, and we should be good. Ball joint. We should be done. Cut. Next, we just gotta tighten these bolts top here, and once those are tight, we should be ready. All right, so we're all finished. We've got those 2-inch rough country lift shocks on the front, and here's the old ones. Let me get a tape measure here. So at the front, got just about 38 and a half, 38 and a quarter there. And the back is actually right about 38. So it's actually a little bit taller on the front than the back. Well, there you have it.